Coco.
Hey.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. I just let me come and see how you are.
Oh, thank you very much. Have you heard what is happening? Just hold on. I have this for you. Take it.
Please, I don't understand.
Freedom Assembly is hosting their 5th annual convention from on the 17th of October to 20th of October. In this very auditorium. You dare not miss it, oh.
I will not miss it. I will invite my neighbors, invite my friends, I will invite my brothers, I will invite my sisters, I will invite everybody.
Who your landlord?
Even my landlord.
Oh, yeah.
Trust me.
I'll see you there.
See you there.
Yeah, don't